Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we have completed three methods to solve the linear equation and to find the variable of these two linear equation. That we have studied elimination method, substitution method, and then last cross multiplication method. Now, using this all method, we are going to solve some problems given here in exercise number 3.5. So let we solve the exercise number 3.5. Exercise number 3.5. There is given example number 2. There is given sub example 1. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solution? So here given two equation has infinite solution. Two pair of linear equation have an infinite solution. So we know that when there is infinite solution, then we get the ratio of its coefficient, as we know that a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and next a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are two linear equation, pair of two linear equation. Now if in given that these two linear equation have infinite solution, then we know that we compare the ratio of coefficient as here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So we take this ratio. So here given two linear equation, so we compare these both the equation as given here, and we find the value of a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2, and after then we take the ratio such as given, and then we compare these three ratio. After then we take 2 to any two, we compare any two ratio and we get the solution and we get the linear equation. After then we solve and we find the value of a and b, that these two linear equation have many infinite solution. So as you can see here given 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and a minus b into x plus a plus b into y, this is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. First we have to write these two equation in a standard form. So first we write 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. We take all the value in RHS or LHS, then we get such as equation. Then a minus b into x plus in bracket a plus b into y minus in bracket 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let comparing the standard form of pair of linear equation, then we get a1 to a2 a minus b, then we take ratio a1 by a2 2 by a minus b, b1 3 b2 a plus b, then we take ratio b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by a plus b. After then c1 by c2, here you can see that minus 7 is c1 and minus in bracket 3a plus b minus 7 minus 2 is c2. Then we take c1 by c2 as here minus 7 by minus 3a plus b minus 2, and last we get 7 by 7 upon in bracket 3a plus b minus 2. So now we here given that for infinite many solution, we know that we take the ratio as given here a1 by a2 b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, then we compare. Now we compare any of two ratio. First we take a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, so 2 by a minus b and 7 by 3a plus b minus, here we take a1 by a2 equal to c1 by c2, so we take 2 by a minus b and 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Then we multiply 3a plus b minus 2 here, as we can see here 2 by a minus b is equal to 7 minus 3a plus b minus 2. So now we multiply these in numerator here and we multiply this denominator in here. So we get 2 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7a minus b. Now let me multiply this term in the brackets and then we get 6a 2 into b 2b 2 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 7 into a 7a into minus 7b. So we get this equation. Then here after then solving, if we move 6a here then we get a and 2b here then we get 9b and minus is equal to minus 4. Equation number 1. As well as we compare b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 or a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. We take a1 by a2 by is equal to b1 by b2. Then we get 2 divided by a minus b and 3 divided by a plus b. Then we get such type of equation 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. Then a minus 5b is equal to 0. Equation number 1, equation number 2. So these are the linear equation, a pair of linear equation in two variable a and b. Now by solving any of one method, elimination method, substitution method or cross multiplication method, we can solve we can find the value of a and b. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. Here you can see that the coefficient of a are same. So we subtract 1 from 2. Then we get 4b is equal to 4. Then we get b is equal to 1. So it is a elimination method. By using elimination method we get b is equal to 1 and we put this value of b into any of 1, then we get a is equal to 5. So here we find the value of a and b, a is equal to 5 and a is equal to 1, such that we can find the infinite solution of given two linear equations. The given equation give infinite many solution. Now example number 4. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method, that solution, substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. Now let the problem given as a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in this mess. So there is one hostel. If you buy the food at first day, if you buy the food at first day, then there is fixed rate. There is fixed rate, and the remaining days means after then the all days if you buy it is depends on a monthly a per day charges. It takes a per day charge. So here two types of variable we have to assume that. First one, that is fixed rate. The cost of one day of food is fixed, that is we take as x, and the per day charge we take y. Now when a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas means she pays for 20 days, means one day is fixed charge, and after the 90 days for per day charges, and x plus 19y is equal to 1000 that she paid. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Means student B, about this to, according to student B, uh, he, he takes the food for 26 days, means one day fixed and 25 day as per one day charge, and he paid 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So let here first we let fixed charge. Fixed charge is for only one day. Then let me assume that it is a fixed charge is X rupees. What is X rupees? Fixed charge is X rupees, and per day charge is Y rupees. So fixed charge is X rupees and per day charge is Y rupees. Means if she paid for 20 days, means one day is fixed, remaining day 19 day. So for day is fixed, that is X rupees, and for 19 day 19 Y, and she paid 1000 rupees. So it is equation number 1. About B, he paid for 26 days, means first day is fixed plus 25 days for per day charge, and he paid 1180 rupees. So it is equation number 2. So we are going to solve these two linear equation by one of the method as we studied already. So solution, let X be the fixed charge of food and Y be the charge for food per day. According to the given information, we get for A, X plus 20Y is equal to 1000 and X plus 26Y is 25Y. Here we conclude that 25Y. Here there is mistake, 25Y, because so let me solve it. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we obtain 6y is equal to 180, then we get y is equal to 30. So that after putting this value in another equation, we get substituting this value in equation number 1, we obtain x plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. Then we get x is equal to 1000 minus 600 is equal to, then we get x is equal to 400. Means fixed day charge is 400 and per day charge is 330 rupees. Hence fixed charge is rupees 400 and charge per day is rupees 30. Here given one more problem. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, let Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Means here given that there is a test of 40 marks. If he gives right answer, then he get 3 marks for right answer, and if he loses then if there is wrong answer, then he loses 1 marks, and the total marks is 40. And after then one more example, means here we can say that for correct answer, means it is a number of questions, it is number of questions for correct questions, and y is a number of wrong question, means 3x minus 1y is equal to 40 marks. It contains 40 marks. If he gives right answer, then he get 3 marks. So x into 3x, it will be equal to 40. Or if he loses, he gives one wrong answer, then he loses 1y, means then we get equations such as given here. And if for another test 4 marks will be awarded if he gives correct answer, and 2 marks will be deducted if he gives wrong answer, and total marks is 50. So let we solve these equations. Solution: let the number of right answer and wrong answer be x and y respectively according to the given information. 3x, that is marks of correct answer, and y, that is marks of wrong answer, is equal to 40. And from the second equation, 4x minus 2y, means 4x is the total marks of right answer, and 2y is total marks of wrong answer, which is equal to 50 marks. So 2x minus y is equal to 25. From equation 2, we can see that we can cancel 2 common 2 from the both the side. We get 2x minus y is equal to 25. So equation 1 and equation 2. Now let me solve. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we obtain x is equal to 15. It is equation number 3. Substituting these in equation number 2, we obtain 30 minus y is equal to 25, then y is equal to 5. Means here 15 are correct answer and 5 answer are wrong. Therefore number of right answer is equal to 15 and number of wrong answer is equal to 5. Total number of questions are there 20, because 15 are wrong answer and 5 are 15 are right answer and 5 are wrong answer. Then total number of questions are is 20. Now example number 4. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and other start from B at the same time. If the cars travels in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travels towards each other, then they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of both cars? So let here given the problem is here. It is a place A and it is place B. Now one car A, it is car A, and it is car B. Now they both start at the same time. Here t is equal to 0, t is equal to 0 time. At t is equal to 0 time, they start at the same time, but its speed, both the speed of car are different. Let assume that car A has speed u and car B has speed v, mu. So if both start at any same point and same direction and go in a same direction, we know that the distance is 100 kilometer. If both cars start in same direction, these both car has same direction, then between any of point they meet at when they meet 5 hours. After 5 hours they meet at same point. Means one of the speed is once, if car A has speed more than car B, then we take u minus b because they are running in same direction. So we take u minus b and they meet at any point after 5 hours. And about if they start in different direction, from different direction, once A start from here and B start from here, so they meet at any point. We know that if A start from here and B start from here, then at any point they will meet, and after then 1 hour they meet at one point. मीन्स यहाँ पे दोनों की स्पीड है, कार ए की स्पीड और कार बी की स्पीड क्या होगी, वो उसकी दोनों का ऐड होगा, क्योंकि इसकी स्पीड सामने सामने अगर दोनों कार एक साथ आएंगे तो दोनों की स्पीड का एडिशन होगा, और इस हिसाब से कम समय में दोनों कार एक दूसरे से कोई एक पॉइंट पे मिलेगी। तो इस तरह से दो इक्वेशन हमारे पास हुए। So let we solve it. Let us the speed of first car and second car be u kilometer per hour and v kilometer per hour. Respective speed of both cars while they are traveling in same direction. Means first u minus v kilometer per hour, because both car has speed in same direction, so we take u minus v kilometer per hour. Respective speed of both car while they are traveling in opposite direction, that is traveling towards each other, that is u plus v kilometer per hour, because they were traveling in different direction, then the speed of both the car we take addition according to the given information. Now we know that for first situation we know that speed is equal to, the formula of speed is equal to distance divided by time. So if you want to find distance, then distance is equal to speed into time. So this type of equation we get for first situation, that when they runs in a same direction, then u minus v into 5 hours, that is speed, and time is equal to distance 100, equation number 1, as well as we get equation number 2. So we get 5 into u minus v is equal to 100, equation number 1, and 1 into u plus v is equal to 100. So we get equation 1 and 2 in two variables u and v. Now we solve this example. Adding both the equation we get 2u is equal to 120, then u is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Substituting this value in equation number 2, we obtain v is equal to 40 kilometer per hour, and speed of one car 60 kilometer per hour and speed of other car is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. So by this way you can find any solution. Now in homework there are given exercise number 3.5, solve example number 2 and there is given sub example 1, and after then 3 4. In 4 example number 4 there are given sub example 2 and 5. Solve it by yourself, and if you find any doubt then you can discuss it with me, and we can find the solution of examples.